Imagine you're flying your Mavic Air 2 when all of a sudden a flock of migrating pelicans decide to put on a bit of a show. This is awesome. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you enjoy this kind of cool content, hit the subscribe button below. Anyway, one of our long-term viewers, Eyal Berger, who's based in Israel, was recently flying his Mavic Air 2 when he caught a bit of an unexpected show. But the performers weren't people. This time they were pelicans, which are gigantic birds. They were riding the beautiful thermals of Israel whilst migrating, and Eyal happened to have his Mavic Air 2 up in the air at the time. Let's have a quick look at the incredible footage that Eyal captured. Not only is the image quality obviously beautiful from the Mavic Air 2, but you can see that the pelicans are just floating around very calmly, even though there's the presence of the drone in the air. At no point does Eyal intimidate or even chase these pelicans at speed. He simply floats, rotating and yawing around whilst capturing this incredible display from these pelicans. The pelicans are clearly not startled or afraid of the drone. In fact, if anything, shortly they start actually approaching the camera, and this is where Eyal captures an incredible performance. None of the birds try to attack the drone, which shows that they're very comfortable and clearly they're in control. This kind of sight is very, very rare, and it's just incredible that Eyal managed to capture it at this time. Stunning, wasn't it? Now, Eyal's got a YouTube channel of his own, so I suggest you guys head over there and hit the subscribe button to help this fellow content creator grow, and also hopefully so that he's inspired to capture more content like this. If you are ever flying near wildlife or you're in the air and something approaches you, the best tactic is to stay still. Don't chase them or fly at high speed, because not only may you startle them, but you might also find that your drone ends up being attacked. Eyal did exactly the right thing in this scenario. He did move gently towards them, but he didn't chase them at speed, and he allowed them to come to him rather than the other way around. Here's a few words from Eyal, especially for our DroningON viewers.
Hey DroningON fans, how are you? My name is Eyal Berger, I'm from Israel, and I really love Ash and his work on the channel. I've been presenting to you the video that I made last Friday. We are here in Israel in the lockdown right now, and all I can do is fly my drone near my house. I live in a village, and I accidentally came across a flock of migrating pelicans, and it made just great shots. They got close more than I expected them to, but it really gave me real great shots. So enjoy the video, and bye bye from Israel.
So thank you again, Eyal, for letting us use your video. Be sure to go and check out and subscribe to his channel. Comment below with your thoughts, and have you captured something similar to this? Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a bit of a pelican, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.